G.L.A.M.s, it's your host again, Natanya with the Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here with another video. This one is featuring the Revlon eyeshadow palette in the 24-hour wear in the shade of Player. I love this palette. As you all see, that the packaging is very small, very sleek, very subtle, and you all see the beautiful encryption and writing, which is very easy to read, displayed right on the palette. So I am loving that. Now this is also good for travel, so you can put it in your travel bag. Also, you can carry it in your everyday bag. It's about the size of a credit card, so I am loving that. Now, another thing that I do like about this product is the colors. Look at those glams. They have 8 pre-coordinated, predetermined colors for the palette, and I am loving these shades. They have it from the deepest shade of blue as you go down to the more the natural earthy tones. Now, as you look at my eyes, I did use, as you all see, let me move this hair out the way, the lime green shades as well as the turquoise and the silver shades on my eyes. So this tutorial is going to showcase my thoughts and how the product pretty much fares overall. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, Glam, so I just got finished with my foundation routine using the Maybelline Fit Me foundations, and I set the powder with some Maybelline setting powder as well as some CoverGirl full spectrum press powder. Now, Revlon is a pretty good makeup brand when it comes to the drugstores. All their products are pretty much purse friendly. You can get their products to a little to nothing, like I do in most cases, because I have coupons, plus the store is offering sales, and also with store coupons as well as other store discounts, I'm able to pay a little to nothing for these eyeshadows. So my eyes and stuff have already been prepped and primed. Eyebrows are done, and I'm just cleaning out these brushes before we get started. And on my brow bone right here, I'm going to actually take this color right here on the end and put on my brow bone. So on my lid, I'm going to be going in with this lime green shade right here on the eyelid. So I'm going to have to build it up, so I'm just going to build up my eye color with that shade. And the next color I'm going to be taking with the palette is going to be the shade right next to it. It's kind of like this turquoise shade. And I'm going to be going in my inner crease with that, with this shade right here. And I am liking this palette. The fallout is not as much, so I am liking that. The pigmentation I do like. One of the things I do like about it that it is buildable, so you're able to build upon it if you want to go more soft like this, or if you want it to have like a bold look, you can do that as well. So I'm just going down to the tear duct, on up to the inner crease. And it's also helpful to have like a paper towel or a towel on hand to wipe the brush off and to transition back, as I'm putting some of that lime green shade back on it. All right, so the next shade I want to take is this dark blue down here at the end, and I'm going to go on my outer crease with that to kind of like make it pop and stand out. So this color right here, as you all see, like I said, it's kind of turning. I guess that's just with the chemistry of my skin, but I do like the greens and the blues and stuff, so I'm always trying to find those eyeshadows that would seem that would work with the chemistry of my skin as well as the pigmentation. But I am liking it so far on how the look is coming out. So I'm going to take this darker shade of blue and go on the outer crease. And you see how all those colors are blending in together. Now I'm going to go back to this lime green shade and just kind of like fill it all in to where it can blend. One of the things with eyeshadows is blending is key. Now I'm just going back in with this turquoise looking shade right here in the inner to outer crease. Again, just blending them all in together. This silvery shade right here, I guess I'll describe it as kind of like a seafoam shade right here. I'm trying to get more of a true representation of the color. There it goes. Right here, I'm going to put right above here to kind of like make it stand out and pop. See the difference? Making it stand out and pop. Now I'm going to take that nude shade that was all the way back at the end of these browns right here, and I'm just going to finish up with my brow bone to make that stand out. Now to finish off with the blue, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original in the Electric Blue mascara to kind of like make all the blue pop and stand out together. My look is pretty much complete. use all drugstore products in this tutorial to pretty much showcase that you can get gorgeous on a dime. So if you are new to this channel, like I've always stated before, please click that red subscribe button below and just continue to follow me. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, glams, be blessed and be glamorous.